Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to use Proton Mail Bridge. For this, first of all, downloading and installing the Proton Mail Bridge, visit the official website, navigate to the Proton Mail Bridge download section, select the download and correct installer for your operating system and follow the on-screen prompt. Then launch the Proton Bridge application after the installation finish and setting up your Proton Mail Bridge account. For this, open the install Proton Bridge. Click the option of sign in, grant any system access permission if prompted, and note the display IMAP and SMT server details and generated password. Then guys, configure your Outlook for the Proton Mail Bridge. Open your Microsoft Outlook, go to the file and select the option of add account and choose the manual setup and the additional server types. Then pop an IMAP. Input your name and your full Proton Mail email address. Enter the IMAP server detail obtained from the Proton Mail Bridges. Use the unique bridge generated password for the both server. Test the account setting and finish to complete. Then setting up with the other email client. Go to access and preferred mail. Choose add a new account. Typically input IMAP server, enter SMAP server detail for the bridge application. Then guys, use the bridge generated password from both incoming and outgoing server. Ensure your SSL or TSL encryption is enabled for both connection and save your account configuration and send it to the test mail. So guys, thank you.